Sonny, don't break that.
Don't blink! Each adorable moment becomes even more chaotic when the baby joins the farm crew.
What are you doing?
Grab Boy's head. Grab him. There you go, grab him.
This little girl can confidently say she's had team leading experience since she was 3. The fastest way to make kids stay quiet.
You found a turtle?
Hold on, guys.
Knowing a bit of a foreign language sure makes making friends easier, huh? This hide-and-seek game would never end without some help. Every friendship starts with a hug. Letting children interact with animals helps them build empathy and reduce stress and anxiety. Parents can rest. The goat will take good care of cheering the little one up. Well, family members should take care of each other, right?
It's okay, Blue.
Looks like she's already ready to take over the whole farm.
No, that's it.
Girls always know how to help each other look prettier.
Cute.
What happened?
Who doesn't love a child who loves animals?
Here, come around and pet him here. Here, good job. Pet him. Pet him.
Early exposure to animals helps children overcome fear and become much braver over time. If she becomes a veterinarian one day, she'll definitely be amazing.
My body. Oh, she's in poop. She's in poop.
Alright then, this combo is going to dominate the double jump competition. Cal be like, not sure if he can take care of me. I'm pretty sure that chicken volunteered to be caught.
Give me a kiss. Good job, buddy.
Don't miss the next video. It's another adorable and hilarious combination.